Welcome. In front of me I have CAT S42, and today I will show you how you can get iPhone keyboard on this device. So at first you have to go for the Play Store, and we have to tap on the search bar and type green Apple keyboard. Yeah, this application, let's install. Okay, and right now we can open that up, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK 2 times, then just go back, tap on the switch input methods, switch to the English United States keyboard, then tap to the finish, and take a look. Right now our keyboard has changed to the iOS theme and it looks almost identical. Take a look, there it is, and we get also here the emojis. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.